Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Today we're gonna continue our TUM VPD part 2, where I'll be showing you how to fill in the additional application related questions in order to before applying for VPD, then also what are the documents that you need to attach with the VPD, then how you can submit it. Before that, last video I missed one point, which is the main point which will decide you from choosing a TUM or not. Before getting to that point, if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with the people who are in need so that they can also look into these videos, and also they can apply for masters in Germany and start their dream master studies in Germany. The main point that I wanted to tell you, the main point that I wanted to tell you is the tuition fees of TUM, even though it is public university. This is the course page of Informatics, where we looked into first part of the video, but here there is a section where it says about the fees of the program. Okay, the dues for international student from third country for a degree program are 6,000 euros per semester. Don't get shocked, it is 6,000 euros per semester. You want to get to know how much is 6,000 euros? 1 second, I will just convert and let you know. So 6,000 euros in Indian rupees will be approximately 5,42,000. So we will make it as round figure 5,50,000. So you need to pay 5.5 lakh for each semester, even though it is public university and one of the topmost university. So this rule came in 2023, and before that it was not there, but they introduced it now recently. So be aware, people who want to study in Informatics for the TUM, they have to pay 6,000 euros per semester, and I have mentioned it, so don't blame me after that saying that whether you said it is public university, why we have to pay 6,000 euros per semester. Okay, for it will be 4 semester, so the 4 semester course will be 24,000 euros at together. So please bear in mind. Now we will continue for filling our additional details for Uni-Assist. So you can click on those additional details. As I told you, the first details we will gonna fill is educational data. Educational data, how it is connected. You know, we have made so many application already, so you know better than me now, but we will consider people who are watching this for a first time, so I am always considering them as a audience. So that's the reason I'm explaining again. So in education data, we'll start from our schooling and our PUC 10+2, and we will go through university entrance qualification, then we will fill our degree certificate or degree details. This is the flow how we are going through. So here we have two options for our preliminary school to fill: School 1 and School 2. As I mentioned always, if you want to mention, you can mention until 10th in School 1, and in School 2 you can mention your PUC or 10+2, whichever name you call it in your states. In Karnataka we call it as pre-university college, but in some state they call it only 10+2. Okay, so here in School 1 I have made it School 10+2, which is our PUC. That's the only thing I have mentioned, where I will study it for 2 years, mine 11th and 12th or PUC, and the name of the location where I studied is MMHS, which is Marimalappa High School, then Mysore, and the country is India. Then the name of the certificate that I got awarded is pre-university degree. Then the date of completion is, this is the date of completion. But here, if you are also willing to give your details, then please give your 10th detail, up to 10th details here. So here you can start from 8th to 10th for 3 years and give your name of the school where you did until 10th, and the country is India. Then the name of the certificate will be SSLC, which is secondary school living certificate, and please mention the date of the school living certificate. Okay, now you have filled your 10th and PUC. Okay, after PUC, what is the next step you're gonna do? You're gonna go for university entrance qualification, which is the preliminary exam before you joining any bachelor degree in India. So what are the university entrance exam that you have given? Please mention it. From when we were there from Karnataka, we used to have a Karnataka exam only for Karnataka called CET. Now they made it as a mandatory, which is India common exam, which is NEET. And there are people also who do JEE mains and JEE advanced and things like that. So they can also mention that as their university entrance qualification. Okay, please mention your university entrance exam, and also please mention the date of university entrance exam, when you took it and when you got your result. After this, if there are people who don't have university entrance examination, then please fill it no, then continue. Now why did you fill your do your university entrance qualification? In order to pursue your bachelor in some of the reputed college. So this is the preliminary exam before you join for a bachelor. As of now, we gave our university entrance qualification. Next, we will fill our studies outside Germany, which is our first university qualification, Bachelor of Engineering. So period of study will be 4 years. So I have started from 7th month to 2016 to 7th month of 2020. Then I studied in a university called VTU, Vishwesvaraya Technological University, India. Then location will be Karnataka. Then subject specific area that I studied is electrical engineering. Then name of the degree is Bachelor of Engineering. Now, have you finished or completed the degree program, vocational qualification? Yes, we have completed the vocational qualification or degree program. If you have not finished it, then click on no, then continue. But if you have already finished it, then click on yes and no need to put it. But if you are putting it no, then you need to get a college certificate from college where they will give a certificate like you are doing still your bachelor and you will be intended to finish your bachelor at the end of, like, say example 6 months or 1 year when you are applying from 7th semester or 8th semester accordingly. Please get that certificate from your college. I think usually you can get that from a HOD and get it signed by your principal. Then other than that, all other things should be no, because we are not doing applying for any of the student college and things like that. This will be interesting if you do for bachelor application, but as of now we are not gonna apply for anything student college, so you can click on no. Then please provide details here, because we have not done any student degree, so we will keep it no. Then studies in Germany, this is when, if you have selected while selecting a VPD, if you had selected for higher education, higher semester, we selected for first semester, if you remember from first part. If you have selected higher semester, then you would have selected here yes and given where you did first or second semester inside Germany for the particular course of masters in informatics or closely related field. But as of now we are focusing on first semester as we are starting as a new guy, so that's the reason I have put it into no. Then these are the main information that we have filled, and you can click on save. Now after clicking on save, we have to upload all supporting documents which you have mentioned inside the mandatory questions. So where we started, we started from our schooling. So you need to give your 10th plus 2 PDF where you would be mentioning your 10th marks card and transcript, and also your PUC marks card and transcript. So you can mention that and put it in one PDF and upload it as secondary school living certificate. Okay, then after that, if you have uploaded your university entrance qualification as S, then please upload your university entrance qualification document. After that, please mention your bachelor degree certificate with your bachelor degree certificate and also transcript. Then work and internship that you have done, please put that PDF. After that, you need to put your passport, SOP, language certificate and CV. So these are the main documents that you need to do when you are applying for VPD. While you are applying for VPD, it is not mandatory to upload APS, so no need to worry. But after getting VPD, then we will go into TUM website where we will show you how to apply in TUM website application. There we have to upload the APS. So until now we are only applying for VPD. So after this video is ending, in the next video I will show you how we apply in TUM official website for the particular course, and we are submitting the application there, but this is only for our VPD. Then after that, we uploaded all documents. Then you can quickly go through it and click on choose option, payment option. Then you can click on credit card or other options, but usually if you're not staying in Europe, then your only option is credit card or debit card. If debit card is internationally accepted, then you can click on proceed to checkout. Then you can ask and accept all mandatory things. Then you can go to payment process. But as of now we won't do it because I am not submitting it. And this is the thing that I wanted to mention here in your second part of the video, where I will be showing you additional application details, how to fill it. And also the master degree costs 6,000 euros, which will be 5,50,000 per semester. So it will be altogether 24,000 for your complete master degree course for TUM. Now we have made our requirement analysis video for TUM, and also we showed you how to apply for VPD and get it. Now on next video we will have our all documents and we are ready to apply in TUM website directly for this particular course. That will be our next video. So in next video I will show you how to apply complete application. Until then, watch this video, prepare every document, then see you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.